Hi, my name is Alexandra, aka the Artmother. I'm an artist, illustrator, and online educator, and I have created a super cool brush set for you. It's called the Artmother's Ultimate Brush Set. It contains 6 different brushes for 6 different functions that I'm using in my illustration process. Let me just show you in this video how to download these brushes. Go to my website, theartmotherart.com, and hit Procreate Brushes. Then you will have a description of the brushes, what can you use them for, and you need to write your email address here. And hit this button. By this you will sign up for my newsletter, but don't worry, I'm not bombing you with spam things. I'm just sending out some cool updates about my latest classes and freebies, and also challenges sometimes. Now go to your email account. You will get an email saying thank you for supporting my art journey. And then you will get 2 buttons. Grab the brushes and you get a 1-month free Skillshare premium membership that you will get if you click on that. But now let's get to the brushes. So grab the brushes. It will open up a Google Drive link. Make sure that you are on your iPad, alright? So when you hit that file of the brushes, you will get something very confusing, different files, etc. But don't be scared. Go up here to the top right corner and hit download. It is scanning for viruses. And do you want to download? Yes, sure, download. Now nothing happens. You need to go to your files folder and you will see it is downloading right here. So let's wait for that. When you have it downloaded, you will have a file like this. You will just click on it and it will automatically import into Procreate. Now if you go to the brush sets in Procreate, you will find it within your brush list. As you can see, I have several ones already. And you will find the 6 brushes here. I will show you in a different video how you can use them in a tutorial, so make sure to subscribe and hit that ring to get notifications when I will release that video. And I hope you will enjoy using these brushes. I really love them. I created them. They are my babies. And I can create this kind of cute things with them. If you want to dive deep into different topics and not just do tutorials, but really to learn skills and strategies, head over to Skillshare, click that, get the 1-month free Skillshare Premium membership button, and just try out my classes. You will not lose anything. You can just cancel the membership if you don't like it. I have 40 different classes. Most of them are digital on all different kind of topics, from character design, a basic Procreate usage, a digital illustration theory, perspective, etc. Tons of things. I'm sharing my knowledge with you guys, and I just love it. I hope you will love it as well. Alright, so I wish you all the best and happy creating!